Ever wondered how some YouTubers like Decoding Whitey, Tube Sensei thumbnails grab your attention instantly? Today, I'll reveal the secrets to creating eye-catching thumbnails using Canva. These thumbnails are more than just images, they're your gateway to standing out in the crowded world of YouTube. Let's dive in and master the art of making professional-looking thumbnails that viewers can't resist clicking. First, head over to canva.com and log into your account. If you don't have one, it's free to sign up. Once you're logged in, click on Create a Design and select YouTube Thumbnail. Canva will automatically set the dimensions to 1280 by 720 pixels, which is perfect for YouTube. Canva offers a wide variety of templates to choose from. You can either start with a blank canvas or select a template that catches your eye. For this tutorial, let's choose a template to make things quicker. Next, let's add a background. You can either upload your own image or choose from Canva's library. Make sure your background is relevant to your video content and isn't too cluttered. Drag and drop your chosen background onto the canvas. Okay, so now we are going to make like Decoding Whitey, Tube Sensei makes their thumbnails, which is going to be super easy and simple. I recommend you make it clean and try to avoid using too much text and elements. The more cleaner it gets, the more attractive it looks. We have already added the grid background here. If you have noticed thumbnails of Decoding Whitey and Tube Sensei, they often add growth charts in their thumbnail. We are going to add it, but it has the background in it, so we are going to remove the background with the help of Background Remover online. Alright, so open a new tab first, then go to remove.bg. This tool will help you remove your image background. Once done, download it to your device, then upload the extracted image that you have downloaded, bring it to the timeline, adjust the position you want. Okay, this looks cool, but let's make it more cool, adding neon shadow. For that, click on the image, then tap on Edit Image. On your left-hand drop-down, click on the shadow option, under the effects option, then select glow, adjust your image and colors of your wish. This is so damn cool. Okay, let's add some text now. For that, again go to the menu, then click the text. Under the text tab, click on Add a Heading, write the text you want, and you can select different fonts, but I use this font called Gaggelin, which looks super cool. Now the main part, which is adding effects to your text. For that, I will click Effect, and under the Style section, I will choose Neon and adjust my text intensity. You can add it to your needs. Once again, I will click on this image and duplicate it and add another text and select yellow color. OMG, this looks amazing. Now we are going to add a frame with the image in it. For that, again go to the menu. Under the Elements section, click on Frame. Choose your size. I'm going to choose a circle. Drag to the timeline. Upload the image and insert it inside the frame. Okay, now we are going to add borders. For that, click on Border Style and adjust the border to 4. You can change the color by clicking the border color and adjusting to green. This looks amazing. Okay, you can duplicate these too. Now we are adding our image. For that, again go to the menu. Select Uploads. Then choose the image you want to upload. Then bring the image to timeline and adjust it. Now the main part is that you can edit this image. Just click Edit Image. Under Effects section, click Shadows. You can change the size, blur amount, colors and intensity according to your image. Okay, now add some elements. From the Element section, search for arrows. Under the Graphics section, select the type of arrows you want for your thumbnail. Place it accordingly, and if you want to add some text, you can. I am adding some text here. Okay, the thumbnail is almost ready. Now for the final touch, upload a black image. Bring it on the timeline. Right-click the image. Select Layer. Select Bring to Front. Now fill up the black image in your thumbnail. Then select Transparency and adjust to 5. The reason I'm doing this is because it makes your thumbnail more focused and attractive, and it observes extra color and brightness. So the viewers automatically catches your thumbnail and clicks on it. Alright, in the top right corner, click on Share and download your thumbnail in PNG format. Your professional thumbnail is now ready. Upload it with your video to get views and high CTR, higher the click-through rate. Viral your video will go. So now you know how to create a professional thumbnail like Decoding Whitey and Tube Sensei. Try to create more attractive thumbnails, explore Canva more and work with your thumbnail, and you will see better results every time. If you don't know how to put motion background on your videos, or you are looking for free motion background, then click on this video. I will see you there.